Hi all, yep, just a quick video on how to remove the DeLorean steering wheel. So people have sort of suggested pulling it from the back, hitting it, hard but obviously carefully with a hammer, a well-positioned hammer with a bar on, to sort of shock it through. You obviously can't use any heat on it. So yeah, but the best technique is one of these pullers. This puller here cost £7.99 off eBay UK. I had two 10mm bolts off my Volkswagen already. The ones supplied in the kit, metric ones, but they're larger than these. So I thought if I had to re-tap them, fine, but like I didn't need to. So yeah, just quickly bolted these on into as much of the thread as possible, as far as they'd go, which luckily went pretty much most of the way in. Yeah, and then just tighten this baby on, and I gave it a couple of sort of reasonably hard hits with the hammer, just to sort of shock it, as someone suggested. Otherwise, I just cranked it, and boom, it came off. So it's now, as you can see, it's now wobbly. So this is quality. So yeah, what I can do now is take his back off, and I can remove it. So yeah, sorry about the camera work there. I was getting a bit keen. Yeah, that's now off. So with this very, very cheap tool that has done the job beautifully. So what I'll do now is I'll remove those off, and take the steering wheel off. So I'll quickly hang on a minute if I can quickly take them off one-handed here. Okay. Right, that'll do. That's fine for now. But anyway, I'll remove those in a second, and otherwise the steering wheel is nice and loose now, which is great. So you can sort of see here, it's all off. Now it's nice and easy, and do it with a proper tool. It's definitely worth the investment. Excellent. Cheers. That's eBay UK. Just the cheapest one going, a couple of days delivery. That's what else it comes with. So a couple of bars here for sort of pulling items off. Another one slots over the end, maybe to extend it or for a more flat surface. And I say selection of bolts. Cheers.